Hello, everyone. We are TabTabTab. We're bringing AI to everywhere on your computer. And the best part, you don't have to prompt. We give you AI that works for you, just like magic. I'm Gyani, and that is my co-founder, Vasan. We met 7 years ago working as software engineers at Bloomberg. After that, I worked for Palantir. Vasan worked for Citadel. But in the past few months, I've earned a PhD in copying and pasting. Luckily, Vasan has been a copy and paste artisan since he first touched a computer in 1997. Computers are stuck in 2022. You might think AI is everywhere, but if you look a bit closer, we are stuck in endless loops of copying and pasting, stuff from one app to ChatGPT and back, only to realize the formatting is still broken. The metaphor I like to use is it is a bit like electricity only being in one room of your house. Imagine going to that one room to get anything done. That sounds very painful. Only developers have started to have tools that begin to solve the problem. We believe everyone deserves superpowers. We want to give you AI that works for you instead of you working for the AI. We want to make the most natural way to work with LLMs and agents, moving way beyond the chat box. So far, no one has really cracked a user interface to AI that works for the average consumer, not until now. Vasan will show you how we have reimagined an interaction that all of us have been doing for the past 50 years. You guessed it, copying and pasting.
Thank you, Gyani. Hey, everybody. Let me show you how TabTabTab has transformed the way people use their computers today. Here are some of the most popular workflows. I have a spreadsheet of candidates I like to hire, and here are some more people that I like to add to the spreadsheet. And you can imagine, normally you'd have to select each line one by one, and let's see how it pastes this. What is this? And you have to do it 50 times. You can imagine that, right? With TabTabTab, you can get all of the information with just one keystroke. Here, I'm going to trigger magic copy with option C. I'll go back and trigger magic paste with option V. It will transform this information perfectly for me. I've shown to you, and this workflow works anywhere on your computer. On any apps, you can do that. I've shown you copy and paste now. Let me show you magic spell. Spell is a way to teach and personalize TabTabTab. Here, if I go to Joshua Bambrick, this guy that I wanted to reach out to, and I just trigger one command from TabTabTab, I'll get it to write a message exactly how I want to write it. Here, to give compliment to him, to introduce what TabTabTab is, and to give my Calendly link at the end. So how is TabTabTab able to do that as I speak? It is because it's using spell. Here I open my spell book, and you can see how I've taught it to write LinkedIn message before. So click give compliments, introduce, TabTabTab, and give me the link. Give him my link. We designed TabTabTab from day one to learn and keep learning. So overall, it becomes a true extension of yourself and help you in all of your workflows. We've done a bit of work now, and I'm in the mood to do something fun. Who's up to do something fun with me? Let's go. I'm gonna go check my inboxes. Yes, so Gyani has reached back out. He's saying that Joshua is interested and he wants to grab a pint on Friday. That's awesome. I'm super excited. So let's see what I can do here. I can use Google's responses, but it's like asking me to send Joshua's resume. It doesn't really capture myself, my tone, and the level of excitement that I have. So let me try to use TabTabTab instead. Everywhere on your computer, you can launch this write mode of TabTabTab with just one keyboard shortcut, and it will be able to help you write anything that you want. Here, I'm going to ask it to write a response to Gyani in my own style, the way I like it. Yeah, that's it. That's the way. Notice that TabTabTab also knows my availability because it is connected to my calendar as well. Cool. I'm just going to go ahead and send this. Awesome. So TabTabTab is designed to be simple. It's everywhere on your computer, right, just at your fingertips. Everything that I've shown you today was triggered by a few keystrokes. But behind all that simplicity, we've done a lot of work to make TabTabTab a great experience. We combine accessibility information with computer vision, a deep understanding of your OS, and we've built an in-house low-latency app classifier, all of that to deliver to you the best pacing experience the world has ever seen. Thank you.
Thank you, Asin, for the wonderful demo. As soon as TabTabTab was discovered, we went viral. We woke up one day to learn that Benedict Evans, who writes the most popular newsletter in tech, had featured TabTabTab. After that, the floodgates of media opened, and we kept getting featured in more and more newsletters. CEOs and CTOs of companies that we all love started signing up on TabTabTab. We even went viral in Thai TikTok, getting hundreds of thousands of views. This is one of those videos. I'll play it for a bit. I find it really interesting how someone, after just spending 30 minutes with the product, does a nicer job demoing the product than I could ever do. All of this has been done without any effort or money spent on marketing. TabTabTab is already changing how people interact with their computers with users in over 60 countries. And we're onboarding more and more people every day. So copying and pasting may be 5% of your interaction of your computer. We want to own all of them. We want to be the AI layer between you and your computer that understands you perfectly. We want to make work faster, but most importantly, a lot more fun. Join us after the demos as we're holding a wake for copying and pasting. You can already sign up for the product on the website, email us, and we'll onboard you as quickly as we possibly can. Trust us, you will be in good company.